In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Printify to your Wix website step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want to start selling print-on-demand products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or posters directly from your Wix store. We'll go through the full process inside Wix Studio, from finding the Printify app to adding it to your site properly. This setup is essential if you want to automate order fulfillment and focus on growing your brand instead of managing orders manually. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Wix and e-commerce tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, go to Wix Studio and open the website where you want to connect Printify. Make sure you're inside the editor view, because this is where you'll be adding apps and managing integrations. After your Wix Studio editor loads, look over to the left side menu. From here, click on the App Market option. The Wix App Market is where you can find third-party apps that extend your website's functionality, including e-commerce, marketing, and print-on-demand tools like Printify. Once the App Market opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in Printify. As you type, you should see Printify appear in the results. Click on the Printify app to open its details page. On this page, you'll see information about what the app does, how it integrates with Wix, and what permissions it needs. Take a moment to review this so you understand how Printify will connect to your store and handle products and orders. When you're ready, click on the Add to Site button. Wix will now prompt you with a confirmation window asking you to agree to the terms and permissions required for Printify to function properly. Go ahead and click on Agree and Add. This step officially installs Printify on your Wix website. After the app is added, Wix will begin connecting your site with Printify. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to log into your existing Printify account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Make sure you log in using the correct Printify account you plan to use for managing products, designs, and fulfillment. Once connected, Printify will sync with your Wix store, allowing you to create products inside Printify and push them directly to your Wix website. From there, you can customize pricing, product descriptions, and images, all while Printify handles printing and shipping when orders come in. This integration saves a huge amount of time and makes running a print-on-demand store much easier. And that's it. You've successfully connected Printify to your Wix website. From here, you're ready to start designing products, publishing them to your store, and accepting orders automatically. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this tutorial with anyone who's building a Wix store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.